In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add affiliate program to WooCommerce. In order to do that, first head over to woocommerce.com, click onto this button right here onto the start here in order to create an account, or you can also click onto this login option right there in order to log in. Now, once you have done that, you should be able to actually access it. Since I already have an account on it, head me over and then click onto this login. I will use WordPress in order to host WooCommerce. So on this case, just head over and scroll down right here onto your WordPress. And then from in there, you can head over to your WooCommerce, or you can also head over right here to the plugins and click onto this add plugin. Once that is loading, you can actually head over and then get to the WordPress marketplace in order to get some WooCommerce options right there. In this case, you can actually just click onto this search and search in here for affiliate. Head over and search for it, and you should be able to see some plugins connected for it. We have in here affiliates for WooCommerce, we have affiliates by iThings, as well as other options for affiliate programs. So for example, on this case, head over and get in here or get a plugin. Let's choose in here this one. Then after you have done that, head over and click onto this install and activate option that you can see right here in order to install and activate it. Now you can find it right here once it's installed, so head over and click on this. And then from there, you should be able to actually edit in here your affiliates. We have in here referral status, affiliates pro, enterprise, and the likes. So for example, you can actually head over and run it. You can manage your affiliates, see your visits and referrals, your traffics, your totals, modify its settings, and the likes. So that's how you add affiliate program to WooCommerce. I hope this video actually helped you out.